Tired of payroll headaches from day one? Let's jump right into adding a new employee to Gusto, ensuring seamless and accurate payroll from the get-go. First, log into your Gusto account and navigate to the People section. Usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard, click on the Add Employee button, typically located in the upper right corner. You'll be guided through Gusto's new employee setup wizard. Start by entering the employee's personal information, including their first name, last name, and email address. Double-check that the email is correct because Gusto will use it for onboarding. Next, input their home address and phone number. Accurate address information is crucial for tax purposes and legal compliance. Now, move on to employment details. Enter their start date, job title, and department. Make sure the start date is accurate, as it affects payroll calculations and benefits eligibility. It's time to define their compensation. Choose between salary or hourly rate, and then enter the specific amount if hourly. Ensure you also specify any overtime rules. The next crucial step is tax information. Have your employee complete their W-4 form and then accurately enter the details into Gusto. This includes their filing status and any withholding allowances. Now, let's set up their direct deposit. Enter the employee's bank name, account number, and routing number. Encourage your employees to double-check their bank details. Finally, you'll see the Benefits Enrollment section, where you can enroll the employee in any company-sponsored benefits like health insurance or for 101,000. If you haven't set up benefits yet, you can skip this and return to it later. Review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. This is your last chance to make changes before finalizing the employee setup. Once you're satisfied, click the Save or Add Employee button. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new employee to Gusto. Now your new employee is set up for worrying-free payroll.